From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Summer at its best and very seasonable for this time of year, right where we should be to be on par with our normals. How about mid-80s for Boise, Caldwell, and Nampa right now, 91 in Ontario. It's possible maybe we pop up another degree or two before we put these numbers down as our highs for today. So we take a look stacked up next to average here, and we're very close to that. Even for our morning lows this morning, nowhere near those records. I think a lot of us are thankful for that. And how about this? Last day of June, we start a new month of July tomorrow, and this is all we picked up, 0.04 of an inch of precipitation through the month of June. I know we far made up for that ahead of time through our spring months, but we've only had 2 days through the month of June that have had measurable precipitation. So we're going to wrap this up as a very dry month of June 2019. Current temperatures across the Pacific Northwest. I wanted you to take a look down toward Redding, California, 92 degrees. This is our flow right now coming out of the southwest, and that's where we will be tomorrow. So likely getting yet another, it will only be our second 90-degree plus day for Boise so far this year. Tonight, 55 to 60 degrees, mostly clear, very seasonable, comfortable. It's a cool start to the morning, but we warm things up rather quickly because we'll be hitting highs that are in the low to even mid-90s underneath mostly sunny skies. So here's how it shakes out hour by hour through the day tomorrow, starting out with bright sunshine. So don't forget those sunglasses as you do head out for that morning commute. And then already 1 p.m. we're into the mid-80s and we keep going from there. Again, low to mid-90s for our highs tomorrow. And I think into the late afternoon, early evening hours, we get a few high clouds that build in for us, giving us kind of that filtered sunshine look, a lot like what we had today, but we'll still get to those very warm temperatures tomorrow with sunshine to start the day. Magic Valley forecast for us tomorrow in the upper 80s, close to 90. We're looking at 92 for Gooding tomorrow. Central Mountains even warm here in our mountain valleys, right around 80 degrees for Stanley and Sun Valley. A similar story for Long Valley, McCall, Donnelly, Cascade into the low 80s. 91 for Weiser tomorrow. I think maybe 94, 95 for Ontario, one of our hotter spots typically. And for the upper Treasure Valley, 92, Eagle, Meridian, Kuna, Boise, 93 for Mountain Home. So here's how the bigger picture is for us. Southwest flow for the next couple of days. That keeps us rather warm. Then toward the middle of the week, we do get just a slight dip in temperatures as this mainly dry, cool front sweeps through the area. It's not a big deal, but it could bring some showers and storms to our northern zones up in our higher elevations. And so this is your bullet points looking at the 7-day forecast. It is just a bit cooler for summer standards Wednesday into Thursday. We're still looking at the low 80s, which is plenty warm. And there's a slight chance for isolated storms, unfortunately, on the 4th of July holiday. But again, that is just a slight chance for us, 20% chance, and a little more likely for the mountain locations, but it would be very isolated if we see them. So I say carry on with the plans that you've already made, because the 4th of July is the best holiday of the summer.
Yeah, hello.
Just get very excited
kind of the
about
only
it.
one of the summer, really, if you think
true,
about
I
it, but
guess
it's
so.
a good one. It's a good one.
Take it. It's coming up this week. Can't wait.